Hey guys, we have another install video for you today. We're going to the beautiful city of Chanhassen, Minnesota, and putting our Extend windows into a porch on a new home that was built by Charles Cudd Homes. Let's get to it. Well, there you go, another installation completed. As you could see in the video, the windows were inset into the opening, so the builder installed some stops that allowed us to recess back the windows for that kind of a nice finished inset look. We also chose to do a transom over top of the door. Because the door is over 8 feet tall and 8 feet is our max, we did a transom there, and that's a good way to finish off that tall opening. If you have any questions about how we did this job, you can put a comment below and we'd be happy to answer those for you. In our description below, we will link to our full set of installation instructions so you can see step by step all of the different things that we do. And we also will have a link to our size guide video that describes the best way to lay out your porch and the different sizing parameters that we have for our Extend porch windows. Thank you for checking out our video, and we'll see you on the next one.